To resolve the issue of Cash App paper money not showing up, it's essential to identify the possible causes. The problem may stem from an outdated Cash App version or technical issues. To fix these problems, updating the Cash App is a viable solution. This can be achieved by visiting the device's App Store or Play Store to check for available updates. If uncertainty arises, logging out of the Cash App, deleting it, and then reinstalling the latest version from the App Store or Google Play Store can be a helpful alternative. Additionally, contacting support is a crucial step. By launching the Cash App, tapping on the profile icon, selecting support, and starting a chat, users can explain their issue and receive further guidance from the support team. By following these steps, the problem of Cash App paper money not showing up can be effectively addressed.